Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel OpenCV Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet and license plate recognition using Python. So we just have to copy that particular path and open the terminal by writing cmd and paste that location. So it will take the dataset and test images and will perform the operation in that particular images. Okay, and then click on enter. So it will test on every individual images and it will store in the separate folder. Like the model detection part started. There are 23 images. Let's open the output folder like runs detect and it will generate the new folder every time. You can see like one imaging processing 7 8. So in that project it will detect the license plate, helmet and the rider and it will store in the separate folder with that particular complete image. Let's complete the process. It works on the video and the image. User can provide any image from the Google and user can download from any video from the Google or they can record their own video. There are 23 images. So one by one image process and it will be stored in that separate folder. So this project developed using Python programming language and YOLO algorithm used to detect that particular models. Okay, so result is stored in this exp15 folder. Let's open the images. You can see it will detect the rider, helmet and the license plate. It will show the accuracy of that particular detection part. It also works on the video. This will be the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.